This is your third experiment, observation of a single phase transformer at no load test and load conditions. We know transformer is a static device. It works on principle of electromagnetic inductions. It has two parts. One is primary side, other is secondary side. Primary side connect with input supply, and the secondary side connect with load. Or we with load. Uh, we know transformer. Is many type, like single phase transformer, three phase transformer, star delta transformer, power transformer, etc. In this experiment, we calculate primary voltage of a transformer and secondary voltage of transformer, or also calculate wattmeter reading, means power, and active current or magnetizing current. This is a transformer. This is primary side, and this is secondary side. Primary side rating is 220 volt and secondary side rating is 110 volt. Its single phase transformer rating is 2 kVA, 220 volts plus 110 volt. This is MCV, that is voltmeter, analog voltmeter. There are 2 voltmeter and 2 ammeter. This is resistive load, that is rating is 110 volt to 20 ampere. This is wattmeter. Wattmeter rating is 300 volt to 20 ampere, and this is pressure coil and this is current coil. Pressure coil has 2 point, that is voltage and common, and current coil has 2 point, that is main and line. Let's start with connection with the connecting wire. This is a transformer circuit diagram. We have to connect to see the circuit diagram. Okay. Let's start to connect this experiment with wire. This is a AC source, 220 volt one phase AC source. First we start with AC source. First connect the terminal of first terminal of AC source with primary side ammeter, and then wire came out ammeter to wattmeter, current coil M point. Short NC point, and one wire connecting the transformer primary side. And we connect pressure coils voltage point with transformer primary side load point, and we connect transformer load point with power supply point. This is the ammeter connection. Now we connect with the voltmeter parallelly. Connect voltmeter on this primary side. This is the positive terminal. This is negative terminal. We also connect secondary side with voltmeter parallelly. That is positive terminal, and this negative terminal with the secondary side of the terminal. This is a first experiment of transformer, that is no load test. We have to observe the reading of first primary voltage, then primary current, wattmeter reading, and active current and magnetizing current. Let first on LCV. This is the voltage of primary side, or this is the current of primary side, or this is the voltage of secondary side. This is the wattmeter. We record the reading of wattmeter. Okay, let's start. This is the transformer primary side reading, that is 220 volt, and this current small amount, that is 0.5 ampere, is called no load current. And this voltage, secondary side voltage, is 110 volt, and this is the power that's consumed, that is 60.39 watt. This is the no load test of single phase transformer. The no load test at normal sine wave impulse voltage, so the iron loss in a transformer is not governed by the supply being connected to primary or secondary side. But when measuring this no load loss, it is usually more convenient and safer to supply the voltage to the low voltage side. This makes the test apparature cheaper and became safer for the testing personnel. To determine the sound branch parameter of the equivalent circuit, the primary side, that is LV, it is the primary side LV, is connected to the normal power supply and rated frequency, and secondary side SB is left open. This is the SB side, let's open. Then total hysteresis and idle current losses, that is W0 in the single phase transformer. Since the primary no load current is small, the copper loss due to be neglected if the supply voltage is P. We know W0 is equal to BI0 cos pi, that is BI0 cos pi, where cos pi is equal to no load power factor and I0 is no load current. Then we find out power factor, that is cos inverse W0 by BI0. We also calculate the active current, that is I is equal to W by B, and also magnetizing current, that is IM is equal to under root I square minus I square. Primary current, that is the primary current is small amount current, that is I0. Okay, this is the primary voltage, that is 220 volt. We take reading of this experiment, that is voltmeter reading, that is 220 volt, and this primary current, that is I0 is equal to 0.5 ampere, and this secondary side voltage, that is 110 volt, 120 volt, and it is the power consumed by transformer. Okay. In this formula we calculate by using this power, we calculate active current and magnetizing current. Okay. This is the observation table. This is the observation table of no load test. That is the primary voltage 230 and current is 0.8 ampere. Wattmeter reading of 60. Average current, that is magnetizing current, that is active current and magnetizing current. We also calculate that is magnetizing current by putting the formula this type. Okay. This is no load test reading. This is a no load test reading. Another experiment is load test. We perform the load test. First we off the MCB and connect secondary side to load. connect secondary side load. This is the secondary side. First terminal, upper terminal of secondary side connect with the ammeter. Other terminal of ammeter connected with resistive load, and resistive load terminal connect to secondary side other terminal. Okay. This ammeter reading show the load. Okay. This is the load current. Okay. In load test, the transformer is said to be operating under load when the secondary winding, this is secondary winding, is complete through load. This secondary winding complete through load, and voltage V1, that is V1, is supplied to the primary winding, as the secondary winding is electromagnetically linked with the primary winding. The secondary winding is electromagnetically connected with the primary winding. The current in the loaded secondary winding will automatically change the current in the primary winding, because the magnetic force are always in equilibrium in any electromagnetic system. The load is connected to the primary side. Second load is connected to the secondary side of the transformer. The voltage applied across the primary winding remain practically constant, or should keep the constant for the test. What is the procedure to connect this wire? First, connect the circuit diagram, maintaining the supply frequency constant, or adjust the single phase. At first, take the reading of primary voltage, primary current, input power, secondary voltage at no load. Then transformer is loaded by putting the load switches one by one, and then above the reading are taken again. Okay. This is the circuit diagram of load test. This is the observation table. Okay. But then we find out in observation table there is primary voltage, primary current, input power, secondary voltage, secondary current, or output power. We also calculate voltage regulations by putting formula or transform efficiency, that is output by input power. Also calculate by input minus losses by input. It's the transform efficiency. Let's on the circuit on the using MCV. This is the primary voltage, this is the no load current, and this is the secondary voltage. When on load, that is 1 ampere, loss changes to 2 ampere, that is 3 ampere, then 2 ampere, 5 ampere, that is 10 ampere, or 15 ampere, and this is 20 ampere. This is the load current, 16 ampere. This is the primary secondary voltage, approximately 90 volt. This is the primary current, that is 8 ampere, and this is primary voltage, that is 190 volt. This is the input power, that is 1561 watt. In this, by using formula, that is V is equal to I cos phi, and putting this formula, we calculate the efficiency of transformer. I will also calculate the voltage regulations, that is secondary terminal voltage at no load. Voltage regulation formula is that if you disconnect to load, this is secondary terminal at no load, and this is no load secondary terminal voltage, and this is load terminal voltage. We subtracts terminal voltage with no load minus second terminal voltage at any load. by secondary rated voltage. We put this formula, we find out voltage regulations. Okay. This is the observation table. That is a full load test. Serial number load 5, that is primary voltage 250, primary current 2.6 ampere, secondary voltage 105 volt, and secondary 5 ampere. Then second reading is load 7, primary voltage 220 volt, primary current 3.5 ampere, secondary voltage 105, and secondary current 6.4, and total input power, that 770 watt. And this third reading, that is load 9, primary voltage 215 volt, primary current 4.5 ampere, secondary voltage 105 volt, secondary current 7.8 ampere, input power 946. And then load is 10, primary voltage 220 volt, primary current 2.8 ampere, secondary voltage 110, secondary current 2.7 ampere. And load 15, primary voltage 210 ampere, active 10 volt, primary current 6.8 ampere, secondary voltage 105 volt, and secondary current 13.2 ampere. Okay. We also changes the load for different reading. First is of 5 ampere load, and then ammeter reading is decreases, and we of the 5 ampere another load, then ammeter reading also decreases. Or when we of this 5 ampere load, ammeter reading also decreases, and secondary voltage increases. This is decreases, secondary voltage increases. Likewise, we take different reading by changing the resistive load of secondary voltage and take current. This is the end of third experiment of basic electrical engineering lab. Okay, thank you.